Okay, so today's topic of group discussion is USA acquisition on Gaza, right or wrong?
So, in my opinion, USA's acquisition on Gaza is not right. I will support my statement by saying on the basis of humanitarian ground. Since we all know that this issue has been arised from the past many decades, not of only few years. So it is an interest of two nations like Israel and Palestine. So taking their stances, I can say that it is not right.
Yeah, you are right. It's like even Klaus said that the two nation theory about the Israel is one nation and Palestine is one nation, and you know that the Gaza is a part of Palestine, so it is a free country to decide anything by himself.
I completely agree with Abhishek.
Acquisition of America on Gaza will help America to develop its economic and job opportunity. Like America's plan on Gaza is to renovate the country and make the opportunity.
But it will violate international law and UN resolution, and UN might also oppose such moves by.
I will also like to agree with India. I think this US taking over Gaza, it will offend the neighboring countries like Jordan and Egypt. That could even worsen the situation.
It will affect, but if you see the scenario that due to constant war, the Gaza is facing a very high poverty ratio, and if US acquire Gaza, there will be chances of high development, employment.
But
as well.
past
I really
and
appreciate
was
it.
where
Adding-
US had increased humanitarian crisis, and it will just worsen situation.
Adding to
But
our
the
point, we
situation
also
is already in a worst as well. But if we see the favor part, if US acquire the Gaza, there is a chances of development in Gaza. as well.
I'm totally agree with.
There is the violation of Geneva Convention law. Article 45 says that any country which is occupied and they cannot be forced the person or individual to
True peace
to
and
leave the-
development
to leave
also
the
comes
completely
from
agree with the
self-governance.
Abhinesh. I
I'm
think
also
it's
agree
a
with
kind
Chia.
of
It is a kind
new
of colonialism.
colonialism.
But we
Like a
cannot
modern,
neglect-
It
colonialism.
will give rise to modern colonialism.
Yes.
Exactly.
And
We
on
cannot
this
neglect
side,
the fact that
receive a lot of backlash.
We also cannot
for that.
neglect the
By
fact that
facing
if
scarcity-
if the America does not acquire the Gaza, then there's a loss of biodiversity, and the people in the Gaza, we can see, for
It will
everyone
be
life
very
is very
Slightly
serious.
disagreeing with
But
Arjun's
facing-
point. Slightly disagreeing with Arjun's point. I would like to say that we can see in the past, USA has already been very much biased towards Israel. So if USA acquires the Gaza, they will always be in the favor of Israel, not towards the favor of Palestinians.
They will
Yeah,
exploit
I
it.
agree.
Like I said,
I
like
agree.
it is a position of
Suppose if America acquire on the Gaza, so other community like Hamas and etc. They will also want to acquire the Gaza, and the possibility of chances of war will increase in future.
terrorists.
But I'm
also
slightly
this
disagree
might
with
also
you.
give terrorists justification for more attacks, and it will increase the risk of.
There might be
But
chances
that
if
is another one.
America does not occupy it over, then there might be chances like China and Russia, they can occupy it.
Yes.
And we know that life is very
And-
precious.
I
If
also
America
want
will
Palestinians, but I
occupy-
also
America
the right
will-
to govern
I agree
themselves.
with you.
If
Rashmi.
America will occupy, then it will help in providing all the medical facilities, all the
How can you say
infrastructure.
that?
I agree
It
with
is
you.
right, because
And
And
I
on
also
top of
want to
that,
add-
cannot
US is
expect-
already facing political and economic challenges.
Exactly, I would
How
like to
can
agree
they
with
help?
Jia. I think
Because it is a developed country, because it is a
allegations on
developed country, and
rights.
being in a situation
Just
Being in a
just
situation
giving
of
USA a tag of developed country
Enough.
does not mean that it can take over any independent land.
I'm
Yeah,
agree with
it's
Jia.
not about taking over any independent land. What my point is, being in a situation of scarcity, being in a situation of hunger, being in a
So they can provide
humanitarian
humanitarian
aid, they can provide
Yeah,
humanitarian
I
aid.
want
Being in
to
a
add-
situation of job crisis, USA may help Gaza in its development scope.
The focus should be on humanitarian aid and diplomacy and negotiation, and not on acquiring Gaza.
We can
Yeah,
tell
yeah,
you
yeah,
that
yeah.
so
So
like-
US is also
it
in a
is
history.
what the statement of Trump as well. It is what the
Exactly.
statement of
Also,
Trump as well.
okay,
Situation of
Okay, so
Gaza is
besides
very
moving also,
different. Gaza
it is also a
completely
violation of
different.
American
The next
policy.
situation
The
of Gaza.
two-state policy. American policy is two-state policy.
Yeah.
In this policy, both the two nations has to come in the bench one, and they have to decide it, and the benefits of the two states is it will be pointed out there. But in this scenario, we said that only Israel will have the benefit and the Palestinians have been
Yeah,
ignored.
yeah,
That's
yeah,
why
yeah,
this is
yeah,
what is
yeah,
allowed.
And
Yeah,
also,
yeah,
if
yeah.
the Gaza, if America occupied Gaza, then it will a counterattack for all the other countries.
Yeah,
We can see the
exactly.
war
And
in the
now
Middle
the current
East.
situation
Yes.
of Gaza is that Gaza is
I agree
completely
with you,
destroyed
Archie.
in war, and it required a lot of investment to recover and renovate the country. USA acquired a step to
But
renovate
what about
it.
the current
And
scenario
where
yeah,
Gaza
but
is
this is a one
is a
time
daily-
daily loss of lives of
Abhishek,
Yeah,
that's what I'm saying. You are supporting my point.
exactly.
See,
But
we can take the scenario like the same scenario has happened in the Afghanistan also.
Yeah.
But
Just-
you can also see the
just few-
scenario of South Korea. Here it is also maintained the stability when US occupied.
Just few years back, USA has the command over the Afghanistan, and 1.5 or 2 years ago they have deployed, they have taken back their command, their officers, and also the all kind of authorities from the Afghanistan. Why? Because they were still not able to take
Yeah, totally agree with Satyam. The
Afghanistan.
US President statement is that says that if we necessary, then we will deploy our forces in the Gaza Patti. That is the point. The Trump has said that if there is a need, then he will deploy our forces.
I completely agree with Ratnesh. I think US is currently not in a state to acquire Gaza. Its remarks on BRICS and Islamist terrorism. I think more than half of the world is against US. And current scenario, it's
I-
But as per
Like-
the recent news, you know what? Gaza is considered, or the Hamas. Gaza is a part of Hamas. Hamas is considered as a terrorist part, not the America. It is
Yeah,
said
Gaza
that
is already
Hamas-
suffered
Yes.
in
Sorry to
Gaza.
interrupt
Gaza
you.
is
Also,
already
you have
suffered.
said that Gaza is a part of Hamas. That's wrong.
No, actually,
Hamas
Hamas.
is a terrorist organization.
Organization.
Okay, that's why Gaza is a part of Palestine or Israel. It
That
is
was my point.
under the international code. We can't decide that.
But
it's a
Gaza
part
is
of-
supported by Hamas ultimately.
Middle
So
East
that-
nations
that-
also
that-
have-
Hamas is basically the organization which is get affected, and it is the only one
It is a terrorist
supporting
organization,
Gaza.
bro. That's not an organization. It's a
Okay,
terrorist.
what if I say
It's
like
really
the,
an organization, no?
like the scenario is happening in the Israel, we can also relate it to the current scenarios in the Kashmir. The LOC part, which is India claims it is ours, that is solely ours only, but they have been claimed by the Pakistan also. So what if any other country came and they say that I will acquire and I do the improvement? That is not feasible. That is not feasible and it is not correct also.
Yeah, I'm happy about it. Like, you
So
can see the
Trump has
data.
said that he will deploy the population of Gaza Strip into Jordan and Egypt. But if these two countries are denied that they will be accept these refugees, and that's why where they will go. That's
Middle
the-
East nations are also known for they have a history of opposing to foreign occupation, so they will also resist and it will lead to more
So
conflicts.
where they will go? Where the American president deployed them? Where?
Yeah, he is
There's
talking
a-
about the Jordan, Syria, and Misr, but it is not like you can see that they are also the violation of humanitarian issue in that country. If they will send it is not right. If you want to send there, he can invite in their country and he can invite in Israel also. If you want to develop their person.
You also can neglect the fact that because if the America occupied it, then there will be no war. If America occupied it, then there will be a simple living, and the people will not be separated. We see with this wars, many people are dying. The people got separated. They are facing medical issues. So what about all these?
But-
So America can play a role of mediation in between Israel and Palestine.
That's
And
why
they
they
are
are
divided.
if, and also if
Humanitarian-
America
But
is
they are
serious,
mostly focused on economical growth of.
Exactly. And if
Yes.
America
And
acquired
that
the-
will support them
They
to
are
support.
providing them
So
infrastructure.
they can support the rebuilding and economic
That's what
development.
they say.
How can we
That's
have that?
this is a
statement.
If you see
The
this,
statement is they want to acquire the.
They
and
acquire
they
in the
want to
form,
rebuild.
but
the
true
situation
commercials
of-
come from. But it is a
from
plan
settlement
of.
only.
It is a plan of Trump's.
To
And
develop
also-
negotiation,
and
they
also-
also work there.
and also we can see that if
Why
USA is
the
really
land?
concerned about the place of Israel and Palestine, we all are aware that USA 60% export is of that weaponry system only. They are only who are supplying the weapon and selling the weapons to the Israel as well as to the Palestinians. also.
Yeah, I totally agree with you.
I would like to add one more point.
In the campaign of election, Donald Trump says that I want to buy Greenland and Canada is my 51st state. That is the statement. That's so that Donald Trump has the ill intention. And after that, his statement comes about the Gaza Strip. That is not be very good for the Palestinians.
I would like to say add further, like in Israel, you can see that there is only 1100 people died in the war.
Yeah.
But you can see the data of Gaza and Palestine, the 62,000 people have died. If the America think about the development of the Gaza people, then its data is not fair. So how can we say that he will develop again by?
If you are saying that in Palestine the death ratio is 62,000 and in Israel it's 11,000.
1100.
1100. Then Gaza is already suffering from their fight as well. And if America is claiming to support that, so ultimately.
But
There
you know that-
will
but
be
you know that-
genocide in the Gaza Strip. The Hamas militant leader said, Abu Zaidi, he said, we don't want to America in this.
So that is my point.
And the
Rajneesh.
locals are not supported the
Exactly.
America.
So that is
I
my
would like
point
to
that,
agree with
that
Rajneesh. I think
Gaza
there is no
is
consent
already
from the
suffers
citizen.
from the
If
from the
American
fight
troops
of
deployed in the
Gaza
Gaza
is
Strip,
needed to
then
hit.
there is a genocide in the country, and America wants to develop it there is a genocide.
And
That's
Gaza-
why.
That's what I'm saying, that Gaza is suffering from the war of Palestine and Israel, and Gaza
There
needs
is
support.
ceasefire.
But you know
No,
that
the
one
Gaza
time-
needs the
ceasefire.
support.
They only need the support. They don't need someone acquiring
They
their
also
land.
need-
They should have the right to govern their own land.
Yeah,
They
this is
also
the-
need some kind of permit
At the
also.
current moment, at the current
If it
scenario,
is provided
Gaza
by
people
USAID,
don't have the
what-
basic needs to fulfill
They
their
provide
basic
them
needs.
they provide them
Provide
the
They will also
If
they will
America
provide that.
occupied, then only they will get this.
Yeah.
They can do that without acquiring
No,
the land.
UN
also.
has also said that the humanitarian issue can be in any country. Means humanitarian aspect can be provided in any country, so that it's go with the UN, not for the USA. I
Yeah,
say.
exactly.
There is no
And
follow up
suppose-
without
suppose
any
if-
rules and regulation. That's why they want to
And we
acquire
can
the
see
country.
that we can see that in the current scenario, no other country are supporting right now. So how we
Exactly.
can expect from
And if
other countries?
suppose
if
If
America
America
And if
occupies,
America is
it's
taking
providing
initiative,
this
I think
It is in the
Yeah,
favor of
exactly.
Gaza.
Sorry, sorry to interrupt you. I want to say that as you said that American president has this statement that he will acquire the Gaza Strip, but in the America, his officials also said this is not a proper statement that American
So it is a geopolitics. It's
Yeah,
happened
and-
everywhere. In our country, the situation is
Yeah,
same
it's
with
slightly
and
different.
without any
Their officials are not
majority
agree.
parties
Their
claiming
officials are not
something. It's
agree
not
with our
possible.
term. How can you say that?
See,
this is-
without any rules and regulation, there will be no any government form. So it is better to form the
Acquiring
government.
any country
Is
and
not
having
very-
any rules and regulations
Like-
is a two-case
like she is
scenario.
saying that-
So acquiring will not going to help. It will always see acquiring the country will always like they will lose their integrity as a single nation.
But they are
Sovereignty
ultimately
will be
losing
lost.
their integrity
Yeah.
with the war. And if I think America
USA
will-
has a very good influence in the all over the globe. They
Yeah,
can
no.
influence.
USA has
Yes,
two
agree
parties,
with him.
Democratic Party and a Republican Party. Though both are the parties are against the Donald Trump statement, how can they get the belief in their own country that he will go and capture the
So
strip?
everybody has their own opinion.
How can you
But
be sure that they
yes,
can
every-
control
every-
these things? How can you so sure about the results that America cannot do these things?
This is a diplomatic statement. You can go.
It will only
That is
strain
what I
the
think. If
relations
things can
between
be
US
possible.
and its allies. And
It's
it will
suppose
fuel anti-American
America take acquisition on Gaza. So it will also help India because the terms and relation between America and India will improve and it create a new opportunity for India for trading also.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
I agree with you, Abhishek.
Shall we conclude the discussion?
According to my point of view, if America acquire Gaza, this will not good. This will not good as per global recognition, because every country has to choose their own leader and
Yes.
and their freedom. Okay, so
Thank you.
Thank you.
So basically, very good discussion, very good points. काफी अच्छा रहा discussion. I would definitely say some points were very thought through, okay? Especially Ratnesh taking aside. He also mentioned about the recent Trump statement on Greenland and Canada. That shows a wide coverage of data. Again, Satyam holding one front very strongly along with Jia, and it is wrong. And then Avantika, G, Srishti taking a stand on, it is still better than nothing. At least something will happen. Okay, something will happen. So good points. I think all of you spoke well, and but yeah, the points which were supported by data, always interests us than general talk. So I like when Abhishek Kushwa mentioned about some clauses of United Nations, and then there were some technical terms used like Geneva Convention, and then other two-state policy. So and then what is the internal US population, the opposition's party view on this correlation with Afghanistan. So I think discussion was indeed a very, I would say, good, considering all the facts. Yeah, it's an ongoing debate, and the time will decide what is right. So, अच्छा, चले I think थोड़ा सा हो गया है. बाकी तो सब it was good. All of you were good. So Abhishek Sara, you also made some point. Arjun, you also made some points. Good. ठीक है. Good.